This workflow scenario illustrates the design for manufacturing capabilities provided by Global Edge Engineering Assistant, which helps engineers design sheet metal parts that match the capabilities of shop floor fabrication machine tools. Global Edge Engineering Assistant analyzes design parameters, evaluates manufacturability, and identifies fabrication issues to ensure parts can be successfully produced using available equipment. Engineers can optimize their designs for cost, quality, and speed, reducing rework and streamlining the production process. This step illustrates the initial processing of a single SolidWorks sheet metal part with the various available options to import part information into the Global Edge system.
Automated sheet metal part processing starts with launching SolidWorks and selecting a sheet metal part. This is followed by selecting the tool's Global Edge Export Files option, which will display the following file export screen and menu options. The purpose of this screen is to generate DXF flat files from a SolidWorks sheet metal part and includes the following export options. These options include the ability to perform an importation of complete CAD part parameters which serve as a foundation for manufacturability testing, automated routing generation, and automated bend program generation. This includes the automated incorporation of extended data into the DXF flat files that can be directly imported into CAM bending software. This process eliminates the manual programming of sheet metal part files for press brakes, robotic folders, and panel benders. Select the Export button to start the processing of the selected sheet metal part with the output options that were selected below.
This step illustrates the automated CAD part analysis capabilities to provide CAD part parameters for automated routing generation, manufacturability testing, quoting, and CAM program generation.
As the sheet metal is processed with automated CAD part analysis functionality, the part is fully analyzed, and complete CAD part parameters are inserted into the Global Edge database. The software then utilizes these CAD part parameters to perform a manufacturability test which compares these parameters with matching shop floor machine tools. This process provides design for manufacturing functionality that identifies potential fabrication errors at the design stage to help ensure sheet metal parts can be successfully fabricated before reaching the shop floor. The automated CAD part analysis process culminates with the automated generation of optimal routing steps based on the CAD part parameters and matching machine tool capabilities. This includes the generation of DXF flat files that incorporate the necessary extended data to facilitate CAM bend program generation.
This step illustrates the automated routing generation capabilities to generate optimal routing steps based on CAD part parameters.
Select the Routing button to display the routing steps that were generated during the processing of the sheet metal part. Select the Close button to return to the import screen, and select the Test Results button to access the results of the manufacturability test that was performed during the processing of the sheet metal part.
This step illustrates the automated manufacturability testing capabilities to identify potential sheet metal fabrication errors before parts leave engineering.
The Test Part tab displays the individual tests that were performed on the selected sheet metal part. The CAD value column displays each of the CAD part parameters that are contained in the sheet metal CAD model. The test limit column displays the test limit values that are defined in the matching bend process. The status column displays whether the CAD part parameter value falls within the bend process limit by indicating either pass, fail, or warning, which indicates it could be a potential issue. The DXF Image tab displays an image of the DXF flat file. This screen provides the ability to scroll next and previous through each of the CAD part test parameters and the test results. When selecting the manufacturability test option in the lower right-hand corner of the screen, the DXF flat file image will highlight an error in red. In our example, the following PEM holes appear in red because they were identified as being too close to a bend line. The Dimensions, Parameters tab provides a complete listing of each of the imported CAD part parameters. These CAD part parameters provide the foundation throughout the Global Edge system for automated CAM bend program generation, automated routing generation, automated production job generation, and automated sales quote generation.
To schedule a demonstration and learn how the Global Edge Engineering Assistant can help your company increase engineering capacity and save thousands of hours, please visit www.ldcglobal.com.